Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your MongoDB database with your Better-Auth authentication. So let's get started. So first, I want to make clear I've already done the how to install and set up Better-Auth, okay? How to do all of these things, okay, that you see here. I've already made a separate tutorial on that. And while you're making that, this is a file that you create. This is where you set up your database connection, and whether you want an email or password or something like Google authentication or something like, or other things like that. So here we can add the connection to our MongoDB database. So first you need to install a package called MongoDB. So to do that, just type in the command npm I MongoDB, okay, and then press enter. So while that is installing, what you need to do here is you need to add this MongoDB adapter, okay, and here you add two things. So let's import this in first. You can get this from, you get the MongoDB adapter here, and you go into /adapters/MongoDB, and the other thing you get is MongoDB. Okay, this hasn't been added yet, it's still installing, but you get from this the Mongo client. Okay, you add the Mongo client here, and inside of this you will add in the connection string. Okay, so I'm just going to use MongoDB Compass for my purposes. I'm going to disconnect just to show you. So you get this, and if you're using MongoDB Atlas, okay, you have a connection string there as well. You just need to get that. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this, connect back, and I'm just gonna create a environment variable called you can name this whatever you want, just remember to add this. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna add that here, just add in this. Okay, so after you have done this, what you can do is create a DB, and this is going to be client, which is this, so client.db. so this will just connect to the database itself. Okay, and you take the D and add it into this, and you take the client and add it into this. Okay, so that is all you need to do. So now this is installed. Okay, so now all of this will work. I need to add the new here. Okay, now I can save this, and now everything should be working. So usually for something like MySQL or Postgres, you would need to generate the schema, but the thing about MongoDB is that it will automatically do that for you. Actually, one more thing here, you need to add in slash then the name of the collection. Okay, so mine is going to be called Better-Auth. Okay, I'm just gonna call it this, and HTTP. Okay, I'll just call it this, and I'm just gonna copy this. So I'm just gonna save this right now. So with all of this done, I just need to add in the username, email, and password. And now I can just click sign up. Okay, let me just refresh this, and as you can see, we have the database, and it added three things. Let's go into the user, and as you can see, my user is created. So this is clearly working, and I can do the same to show you if I can log in or not, but you get the idea. So if you're coming from the previous tutorial, you know how to create the login and sign up. Okay, so this was how to connect your MongoDB database. I've also created a tutorial on how to connect your Neon database with Better-Auth, so you can watch that one if you want. If you want to understand how to connect Neon Postgres database, and it's the same logic for any other Postgres database as well. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.